Hold on. You can do this. 3 hands up and round you go. Break it up with a do-si-do. Chicken in the bread pan, kicking out dough. Skip to my loo, my darling. The old lady out, you pretty little thing. Promenade around the ring. Big foot up and little foot down. Make that big foot jar the ground. Lady, step back, move it in. Get it back to her forward again. Step right up and elbow swing. Skip to my loo, my darling. Alternate left with the old left hand, follow through with the right and left grand. Whatever, I don't know the rest, but I'm gonna start the Bugs Bunny stuff. Promenade across the floor, straight right out the door and into the glade. Everybody wanna promenade. Doing fun, I'll pull your beard, you'll pull mine. Yank it again like you did before. Break it up with a tug of war. Now into now into brook and fish for the trout. Drive right in and splash about. Trout, pretty little trout. One more splash and come right out. Shake like, I'm still again wrong. Shake like a hound dog, shake again. Wallow around the oil pig then. Wallow some more and you'll know